This facility represents the pinnacle of modern food processing. We handle thousands of these fresh guavas daily, ensuring peak freshness.
The journey begins here, in these expansive orchards, where ideal climate conditions nurture the perfect guava.
Every fruit is monitored for optimal maturity, ensuring the distinct aroma and sweetness required for our candy.
Harvesting is a skilled process. Our team selects only the fruits that have reached the peak of their flavor profile.
Careful handling at this stage prevents bruising, preserving the integrity of the fruit flesh. Ventilated crates allow the fruit to breathe, preventing heat buildup immediately after harvest.
Efficiency is key. Once picked, the fruit is immediately collected to minimize time in the field.
Before leaving the farm, random samples are tested for Brix levels to ensure the natural sugar content meets our standards.
From the orchard, the harvest is palletized and loaded for rapid transport to the processing facility.
Time is of the essence. The fresh fruit travels in temperature-controlled vehicles to preserve freshness.
Upon arrival, the cargo enters a strictly controlled sanitary zone. Precise weight measurement ensures accurate inventory tracking and payment to our partner farmers. The receiving docks are designed to seal the facility from external contaminants.
Before processing begins, samples are rushed to the on-site laboratory for comprehensive testing.
Approved batches are introduced to the line. Automated tippers ensure a gentle transfer to prevent damage. First, a vibrating conveyor separates loose leaves and twigs from the harvest. The fruit enters an agitated immersion tank to loosen surface dust and soil.
High-pressure jets ensure every crevice of the fruit is thoroughly cleaned.
Rotating soft brushes gently scrub the skin to remove any stubborn impurities without harming the fruit.
Despite automation, trained human eyes are essential for spotting and removing any imperfect fruit.
Any fruit with blemishes or bruises is immediately removed from the premium line.
A final sterile rinse prepares the fruit for processing. The fruit is elevated to the pulping station, using gravity to assist the next steps. Heavy-duty crushers break the whole fruit down into a rough mash. Turbo refiners use centrifugal force to separate the smooth pulp from the seeds and tough skin.
Nothing is wasted. Seeds and skins are collected and repurposed for agricultural compost.
The result is a pure, vibrant guava pulp, rich in fiber and natural flavor.
Flash heating deactivates natural enzymes that could spoil the color and flavor, stabilizing the pulp.
A secondary sieving process creates the ultra-smooth consistency required for premium confectionery.
Meanwhile, the other essential ingredients are prepared. Sugar is pneumatically transported to the mixing area.
Pectin, a natural setting agent derived from fruit, is carefully hydrated. Ingredients are injected into the kettle under vacuum pressure.
Vacuum cooking allows the mixture to boil at lower temperatures, preserving the fresh guava flavor and vibrant color.
Sensors constantly monitor the viscosity and sugar concentration to determine the exact moment the candy is ready. Once perfectly cooked, the thick, hot paste is released. The paste is extruded onto a cooling belt. forming a continuous, uniform sheet.
Precision rollers ensure the sheet has a perfectly consistent thickness.
The sheet enters a multi-stage cooling tunnel, where filtered, chilled air sets the texture.
Controlled cooling is crucial to achieve the signature, chewy, yet firm bite of the guava candy.
Emerging from the tunnel, the sheet is now set and ready for shaping. A fine dusting of sugar prevents the candy from sticking to the cutting machinery.
The top is also coated, adding sweetness and texture.
Rotating blades slice the continuous sheet into uniform long strips.
The strips are spaced out to ensure clean crosscuts.
A high-speed guillotine cutter creates thousands of perfectly sized individual pieces per minute. Optical sorters instantly reject any piece that doesn't meet the precise dimensional standards.
Safety is paramount. Every single piece passes through sensitive metal detection.
Vibratory feeders align the candies into single files, preparing them for the high-speed wrappers.
The packaging film, printed with food-safe inks, is fed into the flow wrappers.
These machines can wrap hundreds of candies per minute with surgical precision.
Rotary cutters separate the continuous flow into individual treats. The result is a torrent of perfectly wrapped guava candies.
Multi-head weighers calculate the perfect combination of candies to meet the target pack weight.
Vertical form fill seal machines bag the candies for retail sale.
Seal integrity is verified to ensure freshness on the shelf. A final X-ray scan guarantees that no foreign materials are present inside the sealed bag. Robotic arms pack the retail bags into shipping cartons with tireless speed. Cartons are sealed and labeled with tracking codes for global logistics. Heavy-duty palletizers stack the cartons, readying them for the warehouse.
The pallets are stretch-wrapped to ensure stability during transport.
Our automated warehouse management system tracks every pallet's location.
Vertical storage maximizes capacity while maintaining strict first-in, first-out protocols. Finally, the products are loaded into shipping containers for distribution worldwide.
From the farm to the factory, and now to the world. Arriving fresh at retailers, ready for enjoyment. Bringing the authentic taste of tropical guava to customers everywhere.
A perfect balance of flavor, texture, and tradition.
This is the journey of the premium guava candy.
Back at the source, precision irrigation ensures the trees receive exactly the water they need.
Healthy soil creates healthy fruit. Regular analysis keeps nutrient levels balanced.
Before the fruit, there is the flower, pollinated naturally to begin the growth cycle.
Pruning manages the canopy, allowing sunlight to reach every piece of fruit. The factory operates with sustainability in mind, recycling water from the washing process.
High-efficiency boilers provide the precise steam pressure needed for the vacuum kettles.
Machines measure data, but our sensory panel ensures the taste experience is perfect.
Scheduled maintenance keeps the line running at peak efficiency with zero unplanned downtime.
Every night, the entire facility undergoes a deep sanitation protocol.
The texture is a critical signature, firm enough to hold shape, soft enough to melt in the mouth.
Auto-splicing technology allows for non-stop packaging production.
The production floor air is constantly filtered to hospital-grade standards.
A central control room monitors every variable, from temperature to motor speed.
Excess sugar is recaptured and filtered for reuse, minimizing waste.
Laser coding ensures every package is fully traceable back to the specific hour of production.
Advanced color sorters reject fruit that hasn't reached full ripeness. Pulp storage tanks allow the factory to operate year-round, even outside the main harvest season.
Personal hygiene is the first line of defense in food safety.
Thermal imaging verifies the cooling process is uniform across the entire belt width. Clean edge trimmings are immediately recycled into the mix, ensuring zero product loss. Cutting blades are rotated regularly to ensure clean, sharp edges on every candy. For certain product lines, steam peeling is used to gently remove the outer skin.
Backlighting the pulp flow helps identify any minute particles that escape the sieves. Micro-ingredients are weighed to the gram to balance the pH and flavor profile.
The production line is designed to flow seamlessly around the facility's footprint. Safety systems are tested daily to ensure immediate response in case of emergency. Corrugated boxes are erected on demand, saving storage space.
We keep retention samples from every single batch for the duration of its shelf life.
The factory runs 24/7, with teams coordinating seamless handovers.
Gigabytes of production data are analyzed daily to optimize energy and material use.
All packaging waste is compacted and sent for recycling. The cycle is closed as organic waste returns to the orchard to nourish the next crop. Premium packaging reflects the quality of the product inside.
Operations continue through the night to meet global demand.
Our guava candy is enjoyed in over 40 countries worldwide.
A facility built for the future of food processing.
Automated cleaning cycles ensure the kettles are pristine for the next batch.
Dedicated people.
Using advanced technology,
to ensure quality in every bite.
Precision. Passion. Perfection.
As the day ends at the orchard,
The work inside continues.
Creating moments of joy for families everywhere.
Experience the true taste of guava.